All right, so we got my recap for the day here. It's a red day overall, but you know, some positivity at the end of the trading day. But here's my first trade here. I pretty much get it at the top. I didn't screen my stock very well. Didn't have 5 times relative volume when I bought it, which isn't that much of a deal breaker if it's like squeezing up. But I didn't check. I mean, I had plenty of opportunity to get out of this trade early on, and it did go up about 20 cents after I bought it, but that was literally the top. It hovered about where I was at, and I didn't sell. I need to be breakout or bail out. I ended up losing about 60 cents a share on this stock here. And just holding it. This is like a common thing for me, I guess, my losers. I mean, not that I guess, I know this. But I'm getting better. Definitely getting better. Did have a bit of revenge trading today. Look, I could have got out right there too. You know, it's like I'm not even paying attention to it here. It's like it'll be a loser, and then it'll go back to break even, and I just won't get out. I'm expecting it to push higher. You know, I mean, I've seen a lot of that happen, but it's not how I protect my bank. So I got to be better at protecting the bank. But you know, just a little $19 loss in my Webull account there. It's not the biggest loss I've had there, but also not a win. I didn't hold my strategy there. This one here, I'm just kind of slow to bring it up in my broker here. Could have gotten at 550, could have gotten at 650, could have gotten at 7. Got in about 7. I got in 763 exactly, 100 shares. I bought, and it pushed up immediately, and then it started to come back down. Sold half, 30 cents up. Sold another quarter, solid, and then after that it just reversed, and I held it the last 50 shares for a loss. So I was a little bit triggered there because I saw my P&L on the trade was up $40. So emotionally compromised here. I want my money back. I feel like it just made a big move. It's going to continue going up. I got in at a $7 level, and man, just down goes Frazier. I lost 47 cents a share there, which is not good. I know my last trade number 2, I ended up losing $1 a share. And my last 25 shares, so 47 cents a share down there, big loss. And then here I am trading some stuff that I have no business getting into. I end up just trying to get what's moving. I bought in here 25 shares thinking I can get $2 and make my day back. And I don't think at any point I'm green on this. I literally bought the top again. I mean, there was an opportunity on the 1 minute there, but first candle make a new high. I'm just trying to get candle over candle, I guess. I don't know. There's no way I should be trading this stock here. It's not even at the high of the last couple days. You know. So yeah, this is trade number 4. Got in 25 shares, almost $40 a share. And I ended up unwinding my position. P&L for this trade, negative 22.55. I knew that I was emotionally compromised here. Shouldn't have took this. I shouldn't have took trade number 3 so close to trade number 2 either. That is one thing that I've been working on, and it's gotten better. Today's the first day I did it this week. Don't think I did it in my first week of recording these videos either. So that seems like it's helping me be accountable. Anything that helps, I'll take it. I want to be successful. I'm gonna be successful in this, but I just want to shorten the learning curve a bit. I've definitely learned a lot over the last 13 months or so I've been doing this. Taking a lot of losses, taking some wins. I've had a lot of losing months. I've had, I think, 2 green months so far. One green month was like $1, something like that. A couple dollars, not much. I had a $250 green month in my cash account. I think it was in April or March, which was awesome. I was on fire, and it was a slow market. Got to my all-time trading highs, and I just gave it all back, trying to, take more. It's like, I'm thinking, I'm professional. No, I'm not. I still have a lot to learn. But I'm also the same trader that was able to make that in my cash account. No leverage, pretty much 1-2 trades a day. That was a solid month. So that is the positive outlook on that. I'm still holding this. No. Breakout, bailout. Breakout, bailout. Breakout, bailout. So at this point, I end up, after this trade here, I take a break. I write my recap. I fill out my notes for the day. A little disappointed in myself, but at least I didn't blow up my account. I still had on my watch list, I still had RUBI on my watch list. And after that breakout, it never came back to VWAP. It was under VWAP the whole time. So scanner started going off, and I ended up taking another trade. So here's the last trade of the day. I'm looking, I'm like, okay, if it's gonna break over 550, I'm gonna get in, looking for a push up to VWAP and past it, hopefully. So I hop in, 150 shares, hovers for a second, and I flip to green. So I had a slow start to this, and it's going, that's green. It's like hovering right there at my price. It's not showing me any signs of weakness other than being under VWAP. Green candles are bigger in the volume, so I was okay, this can break through, so I held it. That's one thing I need to do a little better, is hold my winners and obviously cut my losers. Easier said than done. So it does break VWAP here. I ended up taking half off the table, up a little over 20 cents a share. So that's good. It hovered there, so I sold another half of that, and then it pushed over VWAP into the $6 range. Hovered around there. I don't want it to break below VWAP, so that's when I unwind my position from here. I made back about half of what I lost in my C-Pro account on this trade alone. Took 150 shares. Usually I'm on a 100 share position, so I just hit the shift 2 3 times. Those are my 50 shares. Shift 1 is 25, shift 2 50, shift 3 100. So at this point I wanted to make some money back. Riskier trade, worked out in my favor. Could have lost some more. At that point I don't want to blow up my account, so I was ready to exit, and exit quick. Down 10 cents would have been $15, so Well, yeah, it's my last trade of the day. Here I'm sitting up, finished Weeble down 1980, C Pro down 37, but I live to trade another day. So I'll be back at it tomorrow for Friday. I'm not expecting a lot of momentum. Market was really slow today, so I'll be back here and I'll wait.